Good morning, everyone. And today I'm going to teach you direct and indirect and how to make the indirect of interrogative sentence. This is sometime it is very difficult. So today we will understand this. So first of all, I would like to teach you here. Note if reported verb is given in simple past means अगर रिपोर्टेड वर्ब आपकी सेकेंड फॉर्म में दी हो यानी सेड इज गिवन दैट मीन्स योर टेंस विच इज गिवन इन द रिपोर्टेड speech will change. For example, simple present tense change into simple past. And here is you can see it will start from this helping verb, subject, verb first form and object, and of course there will be a question mark, and it will change into subject, verb second form and object. And helping verb means here simple present means do, does, and first form of course like it is given here go and object. And if you are going to make this into indirect, it will become subject, verb second form and object. Or you can do one thing more, you can change do, does into did, which rule I will teach you further. Note, while doing the indirect, we make the reported speech in affirmative sentence. We make the reported speech in affirmative sentence. Example given is here. Ramu said, "Do you like tea?" This sentence is given in simple present. You can see this. It is given in simple present. Do is there. Yes, and now you can see sad will change into ask, or you can use inquired, or you can use in the place of conjunction you will use if, or you can use whether. So Ramu, it is Ramu, right? So Ramu said into change into ask. Ramu asked if, comma inverted comma we will remove, and then we will put if. You is a second person. You must learn this rule. 1 2 3 SON. Any first person change according to subject, second person change according to object, and third person and for not changeable. This you must understand. Now here we comes this change into do, does change into did or second form if there is given first form. Did change into had plus third form, will, would, shall, should, and is rm change into was, were, and was, were if there is given, you will change that into had been. Can change into could, may, might, has, have change into had, today, that day, yesterday, the previous day, tomorrow, the next day, here, there, this, that, and these, those, now, then, before, ago, like this, and last, previous. So here we are going to see some example of this. Now see, it is given, you can see here exactly. She said, did I go to Mumbai? You are seeing here, this tense is given in simple past. When simple past tense is there, it will change into, or you can recognize, it will change into past perfect, or you can say did is there, it will change into had and third form. That's why it has become she asked if she had gone to Mumbai. Understood? And the next sentence we are going to see, the teacher said to me, will you show me your work? It means that teacher asked me if. You is the second person, it will change according to object is me, so we will place its subject I. Will change into would. I told you that whenever we are going to make this into indirect, we will make in affirmative sentence. Then you according to me, it will become I, will become would, show will be there because I have told you that would plus first form. So I would show, me is the first person. First person change according to subject. Subject is teacher. So here you have a choice. You can write him or her because it is given as an object. You will place according to the teacher is object. So I have placed him. You can also write her, and again you are seeing here is there also pronoun your according to the me, it will become my work. So if it is I, then we have to use the same possessive. Clear? And next, some more example you can see. He said to me, where are you going today? So it means that he asked me. Where will remain same because this is question word. जब question word आ जाता है बेटा, then we use in the place of conjunction that simply question word. We don't use if. हम if का use नहीं करते हैं in any condition. Well, so we'll put the same word where. Here you are seeing it is given you. You is a second person. It will change according to object. Object me के according यहाँ हो जाएगा I. So where I, and it is given like this, is rm change into was were. So according to I will use was, going that day, today change into that day. And now you see one more example. Mom said to him, why have you not finished your lunch? So mom asked him why he had not finished his lunch. Why I have used had, because has have changed into had. In its present perfect tense change into past perfect tense. It is negative, that's why I have used. Second person is coming, it will change according to object. Object is him. Object आपका यहाँ him है, that's why you are using he here, right? Because it is the place of subject and him का जो subject होगा वो होगा he, and he had not finished his work. And the last example you can see, she said to me, how can I help you? It means that she asked me how. How will remain same. Can आगे चला जाएगा. I is here, it will change according to subject and subject is she, that's why we are using here she. She asked me how she. Can will become could. Help. You is here, it will change according to the object and object is me. You is the place of object, इसलिए हम me को भी as an object ही रख देंगे. I hope this is clear for you. If you have not understood, repeat this video. I hope you will get it. Thank you. Have a nice day.